Now, guys, I just found that there is a new way you can grow your social media account, especially YouTube. Remember that this page is about YouTube growth. Yes, I teach YouTube growth. I also teach you how to use AI tools to be able to grow your channel. So, what am I saying? This is a tool that many people have even been ignoring and is inside. Many people do not even know that this tool even exists. You can generate images, you can generate videos using the same tool you are using to watch videos every single day. You are using this tool to watch video, you are using it to check your analytics, you are using it to watch other people's video, whereas the free tool you have been looking for to grow your account is inside your YouTube app. Inside your YouTube app, it is not something that is magical. Now, what you can do with this tool is that you can use it to grow your channel and get your subscribers, get your watch hour, in fact get momentum on your page. If your page is about AI and you are looking for free way to be able to generate dialogue videos, images, come to YouTube. Now I'm going to be showing you this step. Just hold on. I'm going to be showing you how you are going to do it. First of all, click on YouTube just like this, and if this is the account you want to use this account. If this is not the account you want to use, you can switch account. So me, I'm going to switch account to this account. I want to use this account to post this video. Now what you are going to do here is very easy. You are going to come right down
Ready to
to you are going to come right down to this place where it says plus sign here. This your plus sign here. You are going to click on it. Just follow me through. It is very easy. So when you click on it, you are going to go to you are going to first of all see video, then you see shorts. But what I want you to do is that you have to be on this shorts. You have to be here. So when you are here, you are going to come here and click on this AI. So many people do not even know that they can do a whole lot of stuffs here. You can do a whole lot of stuffs here. You can see that people are generating images, people are generating videos, people are generating dialogue videos using YouTube and posting it on their channel, and it's giving them a whole lot of views. So if you are a short channel, you are a channel that uses shorts to earn money on YouTube, just follow through. Or if you are aspiring to use shorts to earn money, follow through. Now you can see create video, you can see make me move, you can see photo to video. So now for if you click on create video, you are going to have to creating content with YouTube AI features. So you are going to click continue. So it's like this one. Now what you do here is just to describe your idea. Put your idea and then put what you want to create, like create the video you want to create, and then you can add your image. So you can do this through two steps. You see that when you click here, after you click here, if you don't use this method, you can use this method. So now you already have an image. Oh, if you have an image, use this method. I will advise that you already created your image before you use this method. So now let us use this method. So I'm going to be selecting this image right here. So this is the image I want to use. Now don't be scared. It's just bringing suggestions on what you want your image. So just wait for the suggestion, and if you don't want to wait for the suggestion, you see, you can say the man says, I cannot believe this is actually happening. The woman gestures exactly and said, check out this magic. It's giving you different option. But remember that this is going to upload in 8 seconds. So this one now that it has said here now, it is not enough. So you will need to still add your own. Then you will now say the woman says, you put your this thing. So make sure that you are doing it the right way. So you are going to put this and say the woman said, what do you want the woman to reply to this? So it's very easy. What do you want the woman to reply? The man says, I can't believe this is actually happening. And the woman says, me too, I can't wait to go to college with you. Just something. Then you now say the man says, so you're going to put something, what will the man say is no be so much fun. See, then you end. So now I'm going to be putting this hyphen here and then the full stop, and then it's going to be so much fun too. You have to be very creative with whatever you're doing here, because you can see AI can only give you suggestion. You will have to still modernize it to your taste. Now let's just click on this and see what it's going to give us. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you know that this video is what you want other creators to see, like this video immediately you are watching it. Like the video, put in a comment if you have used this feature and you are using it on your channel currently. Post it on the comment section. I use it to grow my channel. I use this to grow my channel. Post that in the comment section and I'll be getting all your comments. So what you need to do is subscribe to my channel. It is free, and share this video to other creators. So it's not going to take long to load.
I cannot believe this is actually happening.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait to go to college with you.
It's going to be so much fun.
I am going to mute. So now that you have seen the results, this is the best way you can post on your shorts and get a whole lot of traction on your channel. You can decide to add sound here. If you wish, you can decide to add sound.
I cannot believe this.
You can decide to do anything that you like with this. So you can click next now and then post it on your channel. Now I'm going to be doing an experiment, so you're going to see how many views, because you know AI videos used to get a whole lot of views. You see, couples excited to go to college together. This is just an example, so I can upload it to my short video, make it public, make sure that you are turning this on, that it is AI. Then you can post your related video. If you have a long video on your channel, you can be able to post it, tag it to the long video. So I'm not saying that you should use the same method I did. You can put something that you know that, okay, you want people to watch your long form content and you want to create an AI with it. You don't want to use your own, you don't want to sit down and record. You can do this. So I'm going to upload this on my channel, and you see that this is acceptable by YouTube. This is it on my channel. So what are you going to do now? You can get your own avatar, you can get your own image avatar and let it say something. Let it be like a representative of you on your channel. Now I'm still uploading. So okay, it's already uploaded to my channel. An avatar. I should have an avatar on my I should have. So I want to use, you see that I'm clicking this method. I want to use this first method and see how it will go. So I should have an avatar. I don't have. Okay, so we are going to go and create one. So we are going to create a look alike of me using ChatGPT. So I'm in ChatGPT and I want to pick my best picture. So you have to pick your best picture where you are facing the camera. Just make sure that you are facing the camera, and then that is fine. So we just pick any of these pictures right here, and then I will type in what I want. So I was writing the prompt to create, I was telling ChatGPT to create a look-alike twin of this image that I uploaded to chat. So I want the image to be in 3D pixel style, animated style. So you can choose any of the style that you want. It doesn't matter that it must be 3D pixel. I just wanted it to be 3 pixel, but I went further to tell chat to maintain my facial features. That means even though it's in 3 pixel style, my subscribers or the people that know me on YouTube should be able to recognize me at a glance that, oh, this is Grow with Blessing, this is Blessing, the same person. So I told it to create an image prompt. Unfortunately, it created the image for me. I wanted to generate the image using Flow, but ChatGPT went ahead to create the image for me. So then after inputting your prompt and adjusting the things you want you to adjust in your prompt, make sure that you still state what you want to wear. If you don't want to maintain that clothes it was wearing before, you can tell it to wear a dress, a top, any type of thing you want. So it went ahead to generate the image for me, and I was disappointed, but I was trying to type in another prompt to generate the prompt for me, not the image. But since it was fast, I just waited for it, and then let's check the image out. Now that the prompt is ready, you can see this is the image it generated for me. I went ahead to immediately save this image on my phone and then go ahead to YouTube app and generate what I'm going to say. So make sure that you save to your phone properly. If not, you're not going to, see the image on your phone, especially those that are using an iPhone. Now we're going to go ahead to YouTube and then create this image. So after clicking on that create video, I inserted my image and then inserted the prompt that I want it to say. Since I'm just the only person in this picture, I'm going to put in what I am going to say to my audience. So the lady says, so you can just say the woman says, I'm a lady, so the lady says, you put in a quote of what you want to say. So you put it in a quote, just the way I've been doing it since. Put it in a quote, create unlimited dialogue for blah blah blah. You're going to see it, so read along. Create unlimited dialogue or look alike avatar. You can put in whatever you want to say on that video. So you don't need to put in your camera and start creating video, worrying about what you are wearing. If your background is good, just do an avatar and let avatar do everything for you. You can generate this using your avatar, generate it and then post it on your shorts. You remember that this is limited to only short. You can't post it as a long form content. That is the disclaimer. You can't post as a long form content. You cannot save it. You can't post it. You can only save it as into your draft. You can't download it to your phone. You can't download it to your phone. You can only save it as a draft on your short.
Create unlimited dialogue or lookalike avatar video using this new tool to boost your YouTube channel. Subscribe and like this video for more AI content.
Now you can see how other creators are doing it using their lookalike. It's very easy, it's not complicated. So if you just follow through, you can do it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Toodles!